Alright, yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm re-recording the intro right here since I messed up the last one, but we're back because we got camera. We can, re-record it over and over. But basically, what I got is I want to discuss a couple sneakers right here, mainly from a new collection that Joe's Fresh Goods has dropped with New Balance, or at least a fairly recent collection, and I see a lot of opportunity behind this release. I think right now it is definitely underrated on its price, but I think that just has to do with, everything with the sneaker market. People aren't really focusing a ton on shoes right now, especially as a market, you know what I mean? Like, especially with reselling shoes, things like that. Most people are just kind of quick flipping shoes instead of holding them. We'll get into this one though, since if you're someone that's just looking for, something for the collection thing, like something like that, I mean, this is a good one to get in my opinion. I've got a personal pair on the way of one of them. Just reason I bought it now is because again I see it being a lot more expensive, probably end of summer, end of the year, something like that. Just because New Balance sneakers aren't cheap. That's at least what it is usually. So again, you want to check any of this down below. It's all down there. I've been leaving it on the screen, so there's no real point of discussing it forever. And you can't subscribe and like. We'll make the like goal something simple. How about we try and hit like 262? There you go, something random. So do that for your boy. I'd appreciate it. And leave your questions down below and let's get started. So first things first, really the main thing I want to mention right here, again, this is from the Conversations Among Us, or Amongst Us collection, not Among Us, but yeah, basically this collection right here, it's the recent Joe's Fresh Goods collection. I know he has another pair coming very soon, very shortly, another one with New Balance, which I think is pretty dope. I like that him and New Balance have been kind of like sticking together, doing like work together. I think it's good, especially with New Balance trying to step more into streetwear, because their sneakers are comfortable, they're durable, they're comfortable, they last you a while, and they've been making some pretty sick colorways. This one in hand especially, I really want to show you all the pictures of this one. You all can see like this really hits. Like I immediately got a personal pair of these. Only issue is of course the toe box might crease a little easily, or I guess not crease easily, but stain pretty easily as well. But as long as you take care of your shoes, it won't be an issue, if that's again what you're looking at the shoe for. But I think it's really well done. Like I'm liking this one. It's pretty simple. I like the style of it overall too, and I think a lot of people over the summer are going to be feeling this one. It's just, again, people aren't really like paying for shoes right now. People aren't really putting a lot of money towards it, because it's like, hey, I gotta pay for my bills, I gotta pay for my food, gas for my car, all that different stuff. So that's why a lot of stuff is kind of lower in price right now and not really having a lot of focus towards it, is because people can't, they got other stuff to pay for. Like, if it's a decision of rent or a new pair of shoes, what do you think it's gonna be? Obviously people are gonna go pay rent, or probably nine out of 10 people will, right? You know what I mean? But yeah, basically looking at these ones, it's just another collaboration with New Balance, and I really like the details behind this one. You can see it's even starting to get a little bit, go up a little bit, from the 180, there you go, and it's been having its, little ups and downs, dips here and there, and I think people are really going to be seeing a rise in price in these soon, just because I think the popularity will hit. And this is the other one I really want to mention. This was not even the most popular one. This is the one I preferred to buy for my personal collection, but this one right here, this is the one that's the real deal, the New Balance 550, just because 550s are so popular right now. Like, go look at your perfectly regular 550 model, nothing special, no collaboration, no nothing. Look at how this one's performed in price. Ready? The hype of 550s, look at that. Look at that. I mean, yeah. So you're telling me these aren't going to do something soon as a 550? As a 550, you're telling me these aren't going to be hitting a little rise soon? Come on, look at the price on these. Ready? It's between like 200 and like 230. Look at that. Bigger sizes, of course, going to be going for a little bit more, since they're not as common. They're a little bit more rare, right? But simple 550 colorway, kind of like a cream colorway almost, and like, bro, definitely gonna go up, definitely. And this one will follow too, just because it's like kind of like the brother or sister to it. But I just like this one overall. This is one that I find this one just to be clean. I think this is a well done one. I think this one will rise just because it's wearability, and I think this one will rise due to the hype of just 550s, its colorways, things like that. But obviously we haven't seen really any major progress on this one. It kind of just went up, did a little dip, and now it's kind of like slowly heading up again, might dip again, who knows. Doesn't really have too many sales either, but these ones overall I could see definitely doing numbers, just because again it is a collaboration, and it's a 550. So I think it'll take time, just because again nothing's really going up right now, or very few things are going up right now. Like Fossil Rose Dunks are going up, and then the Next Nature University Red Dunks, whenever those release after that, I'm sure those will go up. But there's very few ones that are going up. Again, my next big focus, Jordan 4 military. That's the next big release, Jordan 4 military black, no doubt in my mind. Those are going to be doing some crazy numbers. That's yeah, that's the next big one. That's at least the next one that I would probably dare even focus on doing like bulk for. Like, when I say bulk, I mean like probably like 5 to 10 pairs. That'd be the only next one I'd probably do that for. safely. But overall, again, just some New Balances. I would add these ones to the collection. And this is a chart, again, you want to take into account, this looks very similar to some of those past or first Dunk charts, you know, when they started to gain hype. So I think 550s, just with their future collaborations, if we get some dope ones, all we need for the 550 to truly catch like a full hype train would be like, you know, just a collab with some like big celebrity or something like that, or, you know, with some brand. Who knows? But yeah, again, go look at any 550s here. Let me get another one right here. Maybe it's just the white green ones, because I'm looking at the red colorway right here, and you know, nothing really crazy. You know, just it's slowly rising right now, but not something I would really look into. So I think 550s, it's just a matter of what the colorway is, who's wearing it. I think the reason that actually the green colorway that I had previously had up on the screen is going for so much is because of its similarity to the Ama Manier or Ama Leon Dior. This colorway right here. It's basically very similar to this one, so I think that's the reason that that one was hyped. But again, looking at 550s in general, crazy hype. I mean, look at this, all the way from $223 all the way up to $400. That's $180 right there on just a pair of shoes rising. But again, I don't really need to repeat what I've been saying. This is a shorter video, but these two sneakers, look out for them. I think they're very wearable. I think it's not something to ignore. I think people are really gonna rock. Look at this one in hand too. You see what I mean? Like a lot nicer in hand, and that's a clean jacket. I like that. But yeah, this right here, I think give it time. People will realize it over the summer. The perfect summer colorways and the New Balances. So the last two, New Balance has been catching some hype recently. So yeah, that's what it is. But we'll see if it gets overshadowed by other collabs. So you want to check me out down there, anything like that, it's all down in the description. A little early, not really early morning, it's like 11 o'clock, but pretty simple video right here today. That's really all I got to do and say. So yeah, you know, again, check me out down there. Subscribe, like for more, like cool. I said it was like 262, something random. So let's see if we can do that. And yeah, try to keep the energy up there for the video, so hopefully y'all can enjoy. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna end this. I don't really need to say too much more. Either buy those shoes for the collection before they go up some more, or, you know, just wait it out, because I think they have potential, especially the 550s. 550s could catch some hype this summer. I think it's possible. They've been getting a lot of celebs promote them recently, so definitely possible. But we'll see. So that's everything. I'm Tristan, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Leave your questions and comments below. Peace.
Got that,